In this video, we discuss about chapter 15, Traditional Wisdom of Astronomy. In this chapter, we discuss about astronomy, Indian astronomy in ancient times. The best example of Indian astronomy in ancient time is the Jantar Mantar. There are 5 Jantar Mantars are built in India. They are situated at different cities in Jaipur, Delhi, Ujjain, Varanasi, Mathura. These are the best examples of Indian astronomy. Jantar Mantars are built by Sawai Jai Singh of Jaipur in 18th century. Jantar Mantars were built to revise the calendars to predict the motion of the major stars and planets with relation to Earth for more accurate time measurement. These Jantar Mantars are made for these reasons: to revise the calendars to predict the motion of the major stars and planet with relation to Earth for more accurate time measurement. 5 Jantar Mantars were built in different cities for more accuracy. It is the question how these 5 Jantar Mantars are built in different cities. It is only for accuracy because different cities are situated at different latitudes. So the data collected from all the Jantar Mantars and compared to each other for the accuracy. The ideas behind the Jantar Mantar came from the ancient text. Ancient text that is written in 5th and 6th century. The data is of these 3 books. First, there are 2 books of Aryabhatta, that is Aryabhatiya and Aryabhatta Siddhant, 5th century. And next is the Varahmihir, written by Varahmihir book, Panch Siddhantika, that is 6th century, is in Ujjain. And next is the Bhaskara first, Laghu Bhaskaryam, 5th century. These books are very important for the Indian astronomy, and the Jantar Mantars based on these books. Indian astronomers put forth the sun-centric theory for solar system, elliptical orbits for planets, and accurate calculation of air. These all things are given by the Indian astronomers. With the colonization, the European school of astronomy displaced our own. The last remarkable astronomer in pre-independence India was Samant Chandra Shekhar. Book written by him is the Siddhant Darpan. Siddhant Darpan is the book of Samant Chandra Shekhar. In modern period, Meghnath Saha and Subramanyam Chandra Shekhar are 2 world-renowned names in astrophysics and astronomy. Dr. M.K. Vainu Bappu is the astronomer till date the only Indian to have comet named after him. A comet named after M.K. Vainu Bappu. It is already discussed. Giant meter wave radio telescope at Khodad near Pune is the largest of its kind in the world. Giant meter wave radio telescope GMRT at Khodad near Pune is the largest of its kind in the world. The Kavalur Observatory named after Dr. Bappu is one of the best equipped in the Eastern Hemisphere. The oldest known text of astronomy is the Vedang Jyotish by Lagat, 1400 to 1200 BCE. This is important. Indian astronomy was in the peak in the 5th to 6th century with the Aryabhatta and later Brahmagupta, Bhaskara first, Barahmihir and Lalla. This is the golden period of Indian astronomy. In the medieval period, the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics founded by Sangam Gram Madhava 1350 to 425 AD in Kerala. Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics plays a major role in astronomy, founded by Sangam Gram Madhava. The Gol Deepika, a detailed treatise dealing with the globes and the armillary sphere, was composed between 1380 to 1460 by Parmeshwara. Parmeshwara also related to Kerala school. Now we discuss some yantra situated in the Jantar Mantars. First is the Laghu Samrat Yantra in Jaipur. This is also called sundial, and this is the instrument used for time calculation. From one side, it is inclined at an angle of 27 degrees, which is equal to the latitude of Jaipur. Next is the Samrat Yantra, gigantic sundial. Laghu Samrat Yantra is the small sundial and Samrat Yantra is the gigantic sundial. This is the king of all the instruments. It is not only the biggest of all the yantras, but also the most extraordinary in accuracy and excellence of its construction. This is very important, Samrat Yantra. Next is the Rasivalay, that is star signs. It is a group of 12 instruments with graduated quadrants on both the sides. They are constructed in such a way that one of these 12 is used at the moment when each sign of zodiac reaches the local meridian. So these 12 instruments related to the 12 signs of zodiac. Rasi sign. Next is the Ram Yantra. It measures the altitude of the sun according to the height of the shadow caused by the gnome. Ram Yantra, altitude of the sun. Misra Yantra. This is the only yantra which is situated at Delhi Observatory and not on any other Jantar Mantar. This was made by Jai Singh's second son, Maharaj Madhav Singh. It was made by Maharaj Madhav Singh. Now we discuss some of the great ancient Indian astronomers. First is the Lagad, first millennium BCE. He had written the earliest astronomical text, Vedanga Jyotish. It has connections with Indian astrology and important aspects of the time and seasons, lunar months, solar months, and their adjustments by a lunar leap month. He discusses about lunar month, solar month, and their adjustment by lower leap month of Adhimas, because lunar month is approximately 354 and solar month is 365. So their adjustment by Adhimas. Ritus and Yugas are also described. It also mentions 27 constellations, eclipses, 7 planets, and 12 signs of zodiac. Next is the Aryabhatta, 476 to 550 CE. He was the author of Aryabhatiya and Aryabhatta Siddhant. He mentioned that Earth rotates about its axis and tells that reflected sunlight is the cause behind shining of moon. Next is the Brahmagupta, 598 to 668 CE. His book Brahmagupta Siddhant dealt with the Indian mathematics and astronomy. He calculated the instantaneous motion of a planet, gave correct equations for parallax and computation of eclipses. Next is the Varahmihir, 505 CE. He was an astronomer and mathematician. He studied principles of Greek, Egyptian, and Roman astronomical sciences. He studied the astronomical principles of different countries like Greek, Egypt, Roman, and his book is the Panch Siddhantika. Very important. Bhaskar first, 629 CE. His work on astronomy are Mahabhaskariyam, Laghubhaskariyam, and Aryabhatiya Bhasya. Aryabhatiya Bhasya is based on the book Aryabhatiya written by Aryabhatta. He devised methods for determining the parallax in longitude directly, the motion of the equinoxes and solstices, and quadrant of the sun at any given time. Next is the Lalla Ittusi. His work Uzaydhi Vradhidha based on Aryabhatiya and Sisyadhi Vradhidha dealt with the planetary calculations. Next is the Goladhyay and Siddhant Tilak, also written by Lalla. And next is the Bhaskar II, 1114 CE. His two works are Siddhant Shiromani and Karan Kutuhal. Karan Kutuhal is the calculation of astronomical wonders. His research at Ujjain Observatory. Next is the Sripati, 1045 CE. He was an astronomer and mathematician who followed the Brahmagupta school and wrote Siddhant Shekhar written by Sripati. Mahendra Shuri in the 14th century. He authored the Yantra Raja, the king of instruments, in 1370 CE. He was a Jain astronomer in the service of the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next is the Nilkant Somyaji, 1444 to 1544. He was related to Kerala school. His book is the Tantra Sangrah. He also authored a treatise titled Jyotir Mimansa. Tantra Sangrah and Jyotir Mimansa. Next is the Achyut Pishardi, 1550 to 1621. His work is the Sphut Nirnay related to the determination of true planets, and Rasi Gol Sphut Niti. It is the computation of the sphere of the zodiac. Another work of him is the Karnottama, deals with the eclipses, and Uparag Kriya Karma, method of computing eclipses. Thank you.